Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I just wanted to do a quick video to show you what I just finished, to show you what I'm working on, and just let you know what's up. So let's get started. First of all, welcome back to the channel if you're returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise, and I wanted to share with you something that I just finished, which is the Jalie Patterns sweatpants. It is $33.55. This is what it looks like. These are the sweatpants that I recently made, but what I did with this pair is I added cargo pockets to them. So this is a pattern that I have used before. It's actually one of my favorite sweatshirt or sweatpants patterns, and the patterns, if you're not familiar with Jalie, they're Canadian. And they have size ranges for kids through adult sizes. This pattern you can make for girls sizes, it says, or for women. So I made the sweatpants that I've made before. I've used this, like I said before, but I added cargo pants, and I did make some fit adjustments, and they are so nice. I really like them. So my next project is going to be this sweatshirt. I've not tried this pattern before for this. These are the options. The hooded and the sweatpants are there, and then just a regular sweat top. That's the one I'm going to do. And it will be in the same fabric that I used for the pants, and that is this very thick fleece that I'm not sure where I got this. I don't know if I got it locally. If I did, it would have been from G Street Fabrics because it's really good quality, or if I ordered it, but I think I probably bought this locally. It's just a black sweatshirt fleece, and then I found some black rib knit that I already had. So that is what I'm going to do for my next project. Now, with these patterns, you trace them rather than, you don't really cut them out. You don't cut out the pattern itself. It's better to trace them. So that's what I did, and I need to put the sweatshirt pattern together, so I can go ahead and cut this out because it should not take long to put together. I can do most of this on the serger, which would be great. And yeah, that will be my next project. Now, as far as my next video, I want to do like a wrap-up video for different things that I've done for the year. So that is something that I'm like gathering information on right now, but I will do that. And so yeah, I just wanted to do a quick update video to let you know what is going on, what I'm working on, what I just finished. And yeah, I think I'm just into sweatpants lately because I did the brown sweatsuit already, and so now I've done the sweatpants, and I'm going to do a sweatshirt. So clearly comfort is my theme for right now. But anyway, that is it for this video. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, share, all the things. Leave me a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about the video. I thank you all for watching. I appreciate your time. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.